Is it time to buy or sell UPXI common stock? In this video, we will explore UPXI common stock in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 24th of June, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with a more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 13th of June, 2025, our system has ranked UPXI common stock as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.16. Let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock experienced a loss of 60.34%. This results in an average loss of 8.62% per day since it was categorized as a strong sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 76.94% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 76.94% and 860.83%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 21.48%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from -19.45% to 388.50% over the next year. In current terms, this would position the future price somewhere between $3.20 and $19.39. Our latest daily update for UPXI common stock includes the headline, "Significant Changes in UPXI Inc. Common Stock Price on Tuesday, Moving 12.27% between high and low. The UPXI Inc. common stock price dropped by 60.30% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 24th of June, 2025, falling from $10 to $3.97. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 12.27%, reaching a low of $3.75 and a high of $4.21. Over the last 10 days, the price has declined in 6 of those days, totaling a decrease of 66.89% for this period. Notably, the trading volume increased by 5 million shares on the last day, despite the falling prices, which may indicate an early warning sign and suggest a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 6 million shares were traded for approximately $23 million. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $22.57, while the lowest was $1.90. Currently, the price is 82.41% or $18.60, below the 52-week high, and 96.52% or $110.03 below the all-time high on the 7th of November, 2022, when the price peaked at $114. UPXI Incorporated has recently made significant strides that may impact its stock price in both the short and long term. On the 20th of June, 2025, Chief Strategy Officer Brian Rudick will present at the ICR Conference Spotlight Series, highlighting the company's strategic direction and potential growth areas to investors. Such visibility can attract interest and potentially uplift stock prices as investors search for actionable insights. Earlier this month, UPXI joined the Webull Corporate Connect service, which aims to foster engagement with Webull's vast user base. This move is anticipated to enhance investor relations and may lead to increased trading volume, positively influencing the stock's performance. Moreover, UPXI has been approved for options trading on NASDAQ, providing investors with more ways to engage with its stock, potentially increasing demand and liquidity in the near term. In its latest developments, UPXI has been actively expanding its cryptocurrency portfolio, purchasing an additional $11.8 million in locked Solana tokens. This strategic acquisition raises its total holdings to about $121.2 million, indicating a strong commitment to the digital asset realm. The company also has a partnership with GMI Digital to enhance its engagement with crypto audiences and has secured a strategic alliance with BitGo for managing their digital asset treasury. These collaborations could catalyze growth and visibility, establishing UPXI as a fusion of consumer products and cryptocurrency, appealing to a broader range of investors. Together, these factors could lead to heightened investor interest and positively impact stock prices in both the immediate future and the longer term, as the market responds to UPEXI's innovative strategies and growth potential. Analysts have assigned UPEXI common stock a general strong sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for UPEXI common stock. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The UPXI Inc. common stock displays sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between the two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $9.06 and $10.64. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Friday, April 25, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 74.4%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume increased during yesterday's price decline, which may serve as an early warning indicating the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may be of interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 41 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 180 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 4 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 43 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for UPEXI common stock. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Given the right conditions, the stock may perform poorly in the coming days. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating volatility. And with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 460 cents between its high and low, representing a change of 12.27%. In the past week, the stock's daily average volatility has been 15.25%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for UPEXI common stock, let's briefly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of the year 2025 is anticipated on the 22nd of September, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for UPEXI common stock. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this instance, you may want to consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for when to exit. Conversely, there is no significant support from accumulated volume below, indicating that the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain circumstances. It is advisable to proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for UPEXI common stock from multiple analyst sources indicates a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Rudick Brian Benjamin, who bought and sold 54,825 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 83 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 145.075. In total, Insiders purchased 3,079,459 shares and sold none in the last 83 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is UPXI Inc. common stock a good buy? Currently, UPXI Inc. common stock exhibits several negative signals, and despite a positive trend, we anticipate that it will perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative assessment of this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from sell to strong sell since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 25th of June, we expect UPXI Inc. common stock to open higher by approximately 670 cents and start trading at $3.98. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your insights. What is your target price for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us at StockInvest.